PEG Restaurant Food Festival is the biggest food festival in Cameroon, coming up on the 11th to the 15th of June 2024 at the Molyko Buea. PEG Restaurant Food Festival is just like a trade fair where you can come there and you have a lot of things to buy, a lot of games to play, a lot of activities will be running on. That is not all. We'll be handling a lot of competitions like cooking, eating and drinking, dancing, comedy, inter-school, inter-restaurants, beauty pageant. Don't miss this event, guys. Make sure you grab your ticket just as 1,000 francs or register for the competition. We will also be having horse riding. Have you ever ride a horse in any event in this country? No. So make sure you visit PEG Restaurant Food Festival event coming this June 11. Register or grab your ticket now. Thank you.